Here's a 52-inch Halsey Builder Fan installed in my dorm. It's nothing that great, but, it works for what it is. Sorry if my voice sounds really funny, but because I'm still not very 100% recovered yet. Here's low. And keep in mind that this fan does have some bearing issues like the other one I filmed. That's low. And yeah, when I first got here, this fan was bent up to hell when I got here. I mean, the blades were out of clocks, so I pretty much had to bend them back into place so I can make it run like good, like new again. But keep in mind, this fan does have some bearing noise. Here's medium. And the bearings start to make some noise on medium too. But it does throw out a decent breeze. And I mean, it does throw out a good breeze for what it is, but you get the point. Just gonna turn the light kit back on. Does perform all right, but it's kind of noisy. High speed. And I did tighten the blades on this one too, but the blades make a racket. And the fan does have some pretty awful bearings too, so it scrapes, it grinds, But once it gets running for a while, it quiets down. But other than that, this fan is kind of loud in terms of bearing noise. But it does throw a decent breeze. Last night I didn't sleep in here, because I was really sick. So, yeah. It's got some terrible bearings, but it runs really well other than that. That's it.